YouTube Analytics Basics empower creators to convert raw data into actionable insights. By mastering essential metrics, you can enhance channel growth and boost audience engagement. Understanding these tools is crucial for making informed decisions that drive success. YouTube Analytics is crucial due to its massive scale, with over 6 billion hours watched monthly. It enables strategic optimization by revealing viewer demographics and content performance. Understanding these growth metrics allows for data-driven decisions, optimizing content strategy, audience growth, and revenue potential. Without analytics, content creation lacks direction. With it, success is data-backed. To access YouTube Analytics on desktop, go to YouTube Studio at studio.youtube.com, click the Analytics icon in the sidebar, and explore the Overview, Reach, Engagement, and Audience tabs. On mobile, open the YouTube Studio app, tap the Analytics tab, and swipe through key metrics and performance insights. Key metrics like impressions and click-through rate are crucial for understanding how often thumbnails are shown and clicked, indicating content discoverability. Watch time, the total minutes viewers spend, drives algorithm recommendations and impacts search rankings. Audience retention, the percentage of video watched, reveals engagement quality, showing drop-off points and identifying compelling moments. Impressions represent how often your video thumbnail appears on YouTube, including search results and suggested videos. Click-through rate, CTR, indicates the percentage of impressions that turn into views. A healthy click-through rate is 4 to 6%, with top videos exceeding 10%, low impressions but high. Click-through rate suggests strong thumbnails but poor discoverability. Watch time is crucial for YouTube's algorithm, prioritizing it over other metrics. Videos with higher watch time rank twice as well in search and suggestions. The first 48 hours are critical for long-term performance. Longer videos watched halfway contribute more than shorter ones fully watched, highlighting the value of engaging content. Audience retention curves are crucial for understanding viewer engagement. Steep drops indicate ineffective intros, while rewatched sections highlight valuable or confusing content. Gradual declines suggest natural attention loss, and flat sections show engaging parts. To optimize, enhance hooks, cut or reorder weak sections, replicate successful formats, and adjust pacing and transitions. Understanding your audience demographics is crucial. Analyze age distribution to adjust content complexity and cultural references. Geographic insights guide upload timing and language choices. Gender breakdowns shape content approach and marketing strategies. For instance, if 70% of your audience is aged 18 to 34 from the United States, focus on trending topics and cultural references relevant to young American adults. Analyze traffic sources to enhance viewership. Optimize YouTube search by refining titles, descriptions, and tags with target keywords. For suggested videos, create content akin to popular niche videos. Leverage external sources by promoting on social media and embedding on websites. Strengthen browse features by building subscriber loyalty for homepage recommendations. Likes enhance visibility and act as social proof. Comments are the strongest engagement signal, fostering community interaction. Shares expand reach, introducing content to new audiences. To boost these metrics, ask questions in videos, use community polls, and encourage sharing experiences in comments. Estimated revenue encompasses ads, memberships, Super Chat, and YouTube Premium views, updated daily. Revenue per mille reflects earnings per 1,000 views post-YouTube cut, typically $3 to $10. Playback-based cost per mille is the advertiser's cost per 1,000 impressions pre-YouTube share. Higher in finance and tech. Optimize revenue by creating longer videos, targeting high cost per mille topics, and diversifying income. Utilize advanced analytics by applying filters and exports to gain deeper insights. Compare performance over various date ranges, such as the last 7, 28, or 90 days. Analyze content type by filtering shorts versus long-form videos. Segment data by geography and device to uncover targeted insights. Export data for custom visualizations and comprehensive reporting. Access the Overview tab for headline metrics, then explore reach, engagement, and audience for detailed insights. Sort videos by views or engagement to identify top performers. Export data for analysis. Compile a Google Sheets dashboard to track weekly growth in subscribers, views, and revenue. Regular reporting helps spot trends and make informed content decisions. /B test thumbnails and titles to boost click-through rate. Analyze retention graphs to determine optimal video length. Adjust if viewers drop off early. Use when your viewers are on YouTube to time uploads for peak engagement. Compare shorts and long-form content performance to align with audience preferences while ensuring content variety. YouTube Analytics is your channel's GPS, guiding content creation, audience engagement, and revenue optimization. Regularly review data, test hypotheses, and adapt strategies based on viewer behavior. Open YouTube Studio, explore metrics, and implement one improvement this week. Transform data into strategic action and unlock your channel's potential.